Vamos, Michi, para que saque este ratón de ahí. ¿Cómo? Pero Rigoberto, pero tú...
Assalomu alaykum, bratim, qandaysiz? Qanday? Makkammi?
Eshitib hayron qolganman vaqtida sigurimga o'zim bedak berganman. Yuragim to'ldi mani, bu qalbim o'ldi mani janona degan qo'shiqni qiz yig'lab eshlar. Eshitib hayron qolganman vaqtida sigurimga o'zim bedak berganman. Yuragim to'ldi mani, bu qalbim o'ldi mani janona degan qo'shiqni qiz yig'lab eshlar.
Felicidades, señora. Ay, eso, felicidades, señora. Ay,
О, ну да, это я. Как я докатился до жизни такой? Что ж,
Повторите, но скрипач играть уже не мог.
Qolganman vaqtida sigurimga o'zim bedak berganman. Yuragim to'ldi mani, bu qalbim o'ldi mani
no, 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 no. Oh, he tried it.
Who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Snoop Dogg.
No.
Shit, my nigga, please.
Okay, this will get it done. Okay.
Okay.
We'll get your papers. Who fought in World War I and World War II?
The Crips and Bloods. My nigga, I didn't study. I just want my papers.
Okay, who's the first colored president? If you know this, you know.
Donald Trump. The nigga is orange.
Hi, Taylor. Stewie Griffin. I'm your biggest fan. I don't mean that like a psycho. I'm not a psycho.
Oh, you're a cutie.
Okay, so let's talk about Harry Styles. Now, you don't have to say anything. I'm just going to slowly pull out this tape measure, and you indicate when I should stop. Okay, here I go. Still going. Still going. Oh, my God, you bitch. Hi, Taylor. Stewie Griffin. I'm your biggest fan.
Are you coming to the street? They strung up on
Like, Mars, y'all didn't do nothing about this?
strange things that happen here.
Stewie, are you upset because you went wee-wee on the carpet?
What did you just say?
Hey, Lois, hey, you peeing here?
In a moment. What did you just say?
Peter, we have a serious problem we need to discuss. No, it's Stewie. He peed on the carpet.
Do I hit him?
No.
Bend down, Mother.
Yes, honey?
How dare you sully my good name by spreading your slanderous filth?
Stewie, no hitting.